discussing one more question. Compute the tax liability in the following cases if assessee has not opted for provisions of section 115 BAC. Mr. X is a resident individual. He is 40 years of age, having total income of 1 crore 1 lakh. So he is having what? Total income of 1 crore 1 lakh. Total income of rupees 1 crore 1 lakh. 1 crore and 1 lakh. He is having total income of 1 crore 1 lakh. See, we have calculated the tax liability on rupees 1 crore. We have calculated the tax liability on rupees 1 crore. How much it was? On 1 crore, the tax liability was, see, we have calculated the same. On 1 crore, the tax liability was, this is 5 crores. We have calculated on 1 crore also. On 1 crore, the tax liability was 28,12,500. It was increased by surcharge at rate of 10%. It was 30,93,750. How much it was? On 1 crore, the tax liability was 30,93,750. Now, tax liability on 1 crore 1 lakh. 1 crore 1 lakh. They are asking for the same. So it is on 2,50,000, it was nil. On next 2,50,000, it is 5%. That is 12,500. Next 5 lakhs, it is 20%. That is 1 lakh rupees. And on balance is how much here? 91 lakhs. It is 30%. So it works out to be how much? It is 27 lakh and 30,000. 27 lakh and 30,000. So the tax liability is, in such a case, will be 28 lakhs 42,500. Then we'll be adding surcharge at rate of 15% because his total income now exceed rupees 1 crore. So it is 28, 42, 500 into 15%. This is 426,375. That will be added. It works out with 32 lakh 68,875. It will be then, we'll be providing you marginal relief. Look how much increase in income is there. In comparison to 1 crore, increase in income is 1 lakh rupees. This is increase in income. And when we compare the tax liability has increased by how much? Tax liability has increased by 32 68,875 minus 30 93,750. Tax liability has increased by 1,75,125. So this is the increase in tax liability. So we will be providing relief, that is marginal relief, of how much? 75,125. Differential amount we will be providing marginal relief, that is 75,125 is the marginal relief So the tax liability will be 31,93,750. 31,93,750. Add HEC at rate of 4%. So 31,93,750 into 4%. This is 127,750. We add the same. It works out to be 33,21,500. 33,21 and 500. It is a tax liability, including HEC. Then the next part is here. The next part, they are asking for 1 crore and 10 lakh rupees. 1 crore and 10 lakh rupees. 1 crore and 10 lakh rupees. So here it will be, tax will be, say on first 2,50,000 nil, next 2,50,000 5%, next 5 lakh 20%, then balance 1 crore 30%. So it is 30 lakhs plus 1 lakh 12,500. 31 lakh, tax is 31 lakh 12,500. Add surcharge at rate of, income has increased by 1 crore 25%. No, sorry, 15%. Surcharge is levied at rate of 15%. Into 15%, that is 466875. So it works out to be how much? 35 lakhs 79,375. No marginal relief will be provided because income has increased by 10 lakh rupees. Tax liability has not increased by that much amount. Add HEC at rate of 4%. 143,175. 37 lakh 22,550. That is tax including HEC. On 1 crore we have already discussed in the last question. On 51 lakhs also we have discussed 50. On 50 lakh we have seen the tax liability is how much? 50 lakhs we have seen the tax liability in the last question. We have discussed on 50 lakh rupees. The tax liability is 13 lakh 65,000. This is without HEC. It is 13 lakh 12,500. It is 13,12,500. On 51 lakh rupees, it is what? 13,42,500. Add HEC. HEC will be add surcharge first. Add surcharge at rate of 10%. That is 134,250. So it works out to be what? 13,42,500 into 10% plus, it is 14,76,750 less marginal relief. So it is 14,76,750, 13,12,500. So it works out if 1 increase in income, it is 164,250. Increase in tax liability is 164,250. Income increase is 1 lakh rupees. Therefore, marginal relief will be how much? Marginal relief will be 64,250. So your liability will be 14, 12, 500. It is 14, 12, 500. Add HEC. Add HEC at rate of 4%. It is 14, 12, 500 into 4%, 56, 500. It is 14 lakh, 69,000. Next, they are asking for tax liability in case of Mr. B, resident individual, 55 years of age, having total income of 2 crores. So we have worked out the tax liability in case of 2 crores also. In case of 2 crores, we have worked out the tax liability. How much it is? On 2 crores, we can calculate. We have already worked out the same. So on 10 lakhs, it is 1,12,500. It is 2,50,000, it is nil. Next 2,50,000 is 5%. Next 5 lakh, it is 20%. And then on 1 crore 90 lakhs, it is 30%. That means what? 57 lakhs. It is 58, 12, 500. Add surcharge at rate of 15%. 58, 12, 500 into 15%. That is what? 871, 875. That is 66, 84, 375. Add HEC at rate of 4%. 267, 375. Here it is 69, 51, 750. It is 69, 51, 750. Then we come to our next question. They are asking for 2 crore and 1 lakh rupees. So on 2 crores and 1 lakh rupees, the tax liability is 58, 42, 500. Add surcharge at rate of 25%. It is surcharge will be levied at rate of 25%. 58, 42, 500 into 25%. That is what? 14, 60, 625. Then we add it. It works out to be how much? 73, 03, 125. Now you compare. Increase in income is by 1 lakh rupees. In comparison, increase in income of 1 lakh rupees. Tax liability has increased by how much amount? Tax liability has increased by how much amount? That is what? 7303 125 minus 6684 375. 6 lakh 18,750. So the difference marginal relief will be how much? Marginal relief will be 518,750 less MR 518,750 is a marginal relief. So it works out to be how much? 59 lakhs 12,500. 59, 12,500. Mm, 73. Sorry. This calculation mistake it is. It is 67, 84, 375. 67, 84, 375. And then add HEC at rate of 4%. 67, 84, 375 into 4%. 271, 375. 271,375. It is 70, 55, 750. 70, 55, 750. Next question is about 5 crores. We have already discussed tax liability on 5 crores. Let us see tax liability on rupees 5 crores. On 2,50,000, it is nil. Next 2,50,000, it is 5%, 12,500. Next 5 lakh, it is 20%, 1 lakh. Balance 4,90,000, it is 30%. Sorry, 4 crore 90 lakhs, it is 30%. So it works out to be how much? 1 crore 47 lakhs. So here it is in aggregate 147 plus 1 plus 148, 1 crore 48 lakhs, 12,500. Add surcharge at rate of 25%. That is, surcharge is levied at rate of 25% on 1 crore 48 lakhs, 12,500 into 25%. That is 3703,125. This is the surcharge. So here the liability works out to be how much? 1 crore 85 lakhs 15,625. Add HEC at rate of 4%. Add HEC at rate of 4%. That is 74,0625. That is 1 crore 92 lakhs 56,250. 1 crore 92 lakhs 56,250. This tax including HEC on 5 crores. Then it is 5 crore and 1 lakh rupees. On 5 crore, tax liability on 5 crore 1 lakh rupees. 5 crore and 1 lakh rupees. What is the tax liability on 5 crore and 1 lakh rupees? So as you have seen, 5 crore the tax liability is 14,148,12500, and 5 crore 1 lakh will be what? 1,30,000 will be additional. So 14,842,500. Then surcharge will be levied at rate of 37%. 148,42500 into 37%. That is 549 for 5491 725. 5491 725. So it works out to be how much? 2 crore 3 lakhs 34,225. Increase in income is by 1 lakh rupees. Tax liability increases by how much amount? This minus this. So it is 203,34225 minus 185,15625. That is, tax liability increases by 18 lakh 18,600. So less marginal relief marginal relief will be how much? Marginal relief will be provided amounting rupees 17 lakh 18,600. Then your liability works out to be 1 crore 86 lakh 15,625. Add HEC at rate of 4% on this amount. 1 crore 86 lakh 15,625 into 4%, 744,625. So your tax liability is 1 crore 93 lakhs 60,250. So basically you have to understand the concept of marginal relief. These questions basically were focused on understanding the question of marginal relief. So by virtue of surcharge, your tax liability must not increase in comparison to what? The increase in income over the specified amount, say 2 crores, 5 crores, or say 1 crore or 50 lakhs as the case may be. For that purpose, we are providing what? The marginal relief. So this was about the first chapter which we were discussing, how you will be computing. The basic concepts were there relating to charge of tax, body of income tax law, assessment year, previous year, exceptions to the previous year rule, heads of income. So these were various basic concepts, method of counting, and we have discussed about how to compute the total income and what is the tax liability. So this we have discussed about our basic concepts. Our next chapter is important, that will be dealing with what? Residential status and its effect on tax incidence.